In this collection video, my McFarlane Toys Collection. Hello and welcome everybody, Darth Rock. Thank you for joining me once again for another collection video. Today we're going to check out all my McFarlane toys. Quite a neat wee collection these days, so I thought I'd show it off. If there's any other collections you want to see from the studio, let me know in the comments down below and I'll certainly get it done. So let's jump in and we'll go through and check out each and every one of my McFarlane toys. First up, Death Metal Batman, and I got this for a bargain. It was clearance, I think it was $5. I would have paid more. Yeah, one of my favourites. There is another one I wish I'd got, but I never saw that one with the actual scythe, which is pretty cool. But all in all, can't go wrong with this heavy metal Batman, which even comes with a guitar scythe. There we are, much better. Looks really cool. The blade coming out the side. It's a cool looking guitar as well. And you've got that freaking face at the end there. Metal head. It's cool. Yeah, and it obviously holds that, and a quick look at the man himself. Batman. And the man himself. Batman. He's a great looking Batman. See, look at that. His coat or his cape, even his gauntlets. Just looks fantastic. You've got spikes on the shoulders, got the skull chains in here, bat logo again, even on the knees got these little bat symbols. Yeah, he is just a fantastic, really cool Batman, and for the price I got him for, absolutely can't go wrong. There we go, rocking it out. Yeah, he's awesome. Very happy to have this one in my hand. So I've got 3 Batmans, two Robins, but not. So there'll be another 2s. We'll do another Batman in the middle and probably save my favourite for the end, which we probably all got the same one. So let's jump on to the next one. And from the Twisted Land of Oz line by McFarlane Toys, we have Toto the dog, and there is a whole range. This is the only one I do have, but there were all of them. Tin Man, Lion, and yeah, this is Toto the dog, and definitely got a McFarlane touch to it. Yeah, quite interesting. Look at the scar on the top here. If it's gonna let us, he's too much comes to light. Pretty ugly. He's got this weird thing on his head here. I should be able to see that a bit better now. There's so much detail, even in the top part there, on the little purple seat. He's got no legs. Even the detail on him alone. Good look at that. Let's go up. There we are. That's a better view of that helmet thing. Yeah, so cool. I'll move it down to Toto the dog. It's a little bit articulated. We've got the ropes coming down here. And he's got this on, holding in the middle there. Orange eyes. It says, I love the transparency of it. Look at that. How sick does that look? And there's a bonus too, extra feature to this guy. Look at that. Just love that detail. Absolutely incredible. Just awesome. Right, so that's him there. And if you turn them around, you've got this at the bottom, which actually pops out. And that's the inside there. And that piece, my friends, something very disgusting. Look at that. That is gross. Oh, you gotta give it to them. That's on the bottom. 2003. Yeah. How disgusting is that? There we go. Toto from the Twisted Land of Oz. Absolutely awesome. Right. Onwards. Next up, from the Mortal Kombat 11 game, the Joker. And oh, this is an awesome Joker. I waited a long time just for this one to come out. And it came out, and I think it was one of the first to get it, because the video absolutely exploded. But yeah, absolutely cool. Right, so he comes with the two weapons. We've got the knife here, which is pretty cool. Silver on that curve, holds it quite nicely, and then he's got this excellent thing, this stick, the skull in the end. That looks neat. Please focus. You're not going to focus too close. Yeah. Yeah. That is cool. I love it. Bloody pick, pretty much. That would hurt anybody. And the man himself. Here he is, the Joker, with an evil looking smile. Those eyes. There's that kind of grin here. Good look at that face. Those teeth too. Because we found there, basically just a purple suit, or tux you could say, with stripes on his pants. Yeah, absolutely love this Joker. From the Mortal Kombat 11 game. And there we go. The Joker from Mortal Kombat 11. And like I said, he's cool. Love that cane. Or it's a weapon. Yeah, he is cool. And while we're on the Mortal Kombat 11 phase, next up we have Batman number 2, kind of the Batman who laughed, aka Noob Saibot from Mortal Kombat 11. But this guy looks fantastic. Don't know why he was on the shelf for so long. He didn't really sell lots, but I reckon he looks fantastic. Check out his weapon there. Here is his little sickle, which is pretty good. Some nice detail on that. Good luck, there we go. It looks quite nice. Markings all over it. It's hard to see sometimes, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, pretty good. Got some chains coming around there. This is neat. Yeah, these spiky bits all over it. Right, now the man himself. Yeah, you see what I mean with that Joker theme. But yeah, he's cool. Noob Saibot, the Batman who laughed. It's a skin in Mortal Kombat 11. Skin for Noob Saibot. He is cool. Have a closer look at the top in a minute. Like it. Chains around his arm. Yeah, so it's all really softish plastic all coming down there. But pretty cool. Oh. We'll see down there. We'll have a closer look at the face. Look at that face. His teeth. Blues out if I get too close. He looks fantastic. His balance still around his head, yeah. He is absolutely awesome. Look, the purple down there as well. There he goes. Yeah. Excellent figure for Mortal Kombat. His weapon as well. Right, while we're going to carry on with the Joker world with Nightwing. And he's freaking awesome. I love this. I really like this. Again, that evil face. Such a good job on those teeth. I forget the proper name, but I'll obviously pop stuff up. He's got his two weapons there. Nothing too flashy. We're not going to look too close on there. Instead of blue, it's red. Yeah. These ones are awesome. They really are. Yeah. There we go. The Joker goons. Yeah. Awesome ones. I really like these ones. Anything, you know, like the Marvel zombies, undead, I'm all over it. Right, we are basically at the halfway mark, so thank you very much if you're still with me. I appreciate it. Drop me a like down below, subscribe if you are not, and talk to me in the top comments, because the next one is my utmost favourite. To be honest, probably one of my favourites in my entire toy room studio, which is mainly Star Wars, so yeah, let's bring it along. In here is the Violator. This thing is absolutely fantastic, and my god, did you do a good job with this. How cool does he look, folks? Lights in the way. Yeah. Certainly an absolute beast of a figure. And he was actually quite cheap considering I had, I don't have it anymore, but I had, oh god, Marvel Certa, and that was like $110 here. And this was under $100. So it just says, but yeah. This thing is brilliant. It does stand. Set it up a little bit better so we can see. There we go. So you can see its mouth here. That is slightly articulated. And its arms go quite far out as well. You can see that. Again, I can't see the camera. Yeah. He looks cool. Look at the arm here. spikes, and I hope you can't hear my son. He's very loud in his room. Yeah, this guy's fantastic. Absolutely awesome. And on the back, stand. My monstrous friends, look at that. There we go, you can see it there. It's just, oh, absolutely love it. Certainly a favourite in the collection, no doubt about that. And he's very big and he's rather heavy as well. Yeah, the Violator. And I did see that I was obviously getting photos to show you the boxes as we go along. Like some of the other ones, a blood splatter variant of this as well out there. But I'll show you how tall he is. There we go, so you've got your Violator there, then you've got your McFarlane Toys, which I think is 7-8 inches. They're definitely a lot bigger, could even be 9. Your Black Series 6 inch and your 375, so he's quite a big fella, but he's not as big as him.
You know what they say, you just can't keep the good guy down.
That's right, Chucky. We all know about my Chucky. A geek strong.
I hate it. I'll play Todd. You've been very naughty.
Yeah, he's rather big. Right, so that is the Violator. Now let's jump on. We're a good halfway through, so let's keep on going. And here is the Man of Steel himself, Superman. All I need is one Superman. This is a nice looking Superman. Comes with the different hands, a fist and a normal hand. Yeah, he looks good. He's a good Superman. There we go. Yeah, it took me a while to find the box, so yeah. Yeah, pretty good. It's just Superman, but again, it's all you need. And I'm actually probably going to hang him because I've hung a lot of stuff lately. So there will be a new room video coming up soon once I've finished it all. So check that out, especially with all my new lights and that too. So it is looking pretty good. It's got a nice upgrade. Yeah, that's not really flexible, but that's fine. That's fine. I can handle that. Be good for a pose. So yeah, just your basic Superman. And he did come with a stand, but it's currently being utilised by the Heavy Mando. Yeah, pretty good figure otherwise. Superman. Yeah, pretty cool. And just quickly, sneak peek, Superman is flying now. And so is Wily Batman. Updated room tour coming. Next in line, the Mandarin Spawn. This one how I mentioned the Death Metal Batman I got real cheap. Got this guy too. I'm pretty sure he was $5. I was amazed. Wouldn't have bought it otherwise, but for $5, he looks fantastic. Again, anything McFarlane's just amazing. Got some kick-ass detail to him. There's some mouth in the middle. Skulls. He is a nasty motherfucker. Pretty cool with that mask as well. We come back down. And we'll look at his weapons. It's even cooler. Dragon on here. Some cool colouring. In the back, basically the hooves, I think. And the skulls again here. quite a bit of movement in there as well. Yeah, it's pretty damn good. And first weapon, it's just a standard looking sword here, which is pretty cool. Straighten it a bit more, but this one here is what it's all about. This is cool. How nice that looks. Dragon on here, that's cool. Love the dragon theme. It's such a good weapon, it's quite tall too. Right, I'll just chuck his weapons in his hand. There, and those weapons are most definitely cool. Yeah, pretty good for $5. Right, final three. Next up, the boy wonder himself, Tim Drake's Robin from the Robin Reborn series. And he's probably the last one that I'd actually gotten, I'm pretty sure. Good to have Robin in the collection. He's a pretty good looking Robin, I must say. That's why I got him, that nice classic look. The green, the red, the yellow pops quite nicely. Semi-soft there. It's not too much to look at if you know who Robin is. Logo as well. That is a pretty neat. Comes with a stick, which holds quite well. Posability is pretty good on him. Get those legs like you always do. Yeah, good to have a Robin in the collection now. Most definitely. Right, we're going to move on from him and we're going to jump on to the final two. Now these two would have to be, apart from the Violator, my favourite two McFarlane toys. Next up, of course, the Dark Knight himself, Batman. And this is the Michael Keaton Flash Batman, which I think we all got one of. I really wouldn't mind painting this yellow, like it does in the original movie, because in the Flash, if you didn't notice, his belt's just black. But fantastic figure. So glad I got my hands on it in the end. It's got its grappling look. Batwing. And Michael Keaton himself. Which is pretty good. Let's fix that. Pretty damn cool. Yeah, just your basic black, but armoured up nicely. I like the colouring on the legs here. Looks cool. Black. In that colouring. Got that nice soft good cape, which spreads out quite nicely. And Batman. So cool. Such an excellent addition. See, now all the other ones are coming out, which is pretty neat. There we are, the OG Batman, as some would say. Let me know in the comments if you think I should hang him with his cape out like that, with Batman, Superman or something. Let me know in the comments. Jump in there right now. Meanwhile, Such an excellent figure. Right, on to the last of my McFarlane collection, and certainly my favourite figure for so many reasons. And my good friend of mine actually did a bit of an upgrade on him, so we'll talk about all of that in just a moment. So without further ado, my last and my top favourite McFarlane. And here he is, Raven Spawn. Since when I got this figure, I was in love with it. He is absolutely fantastic. We will look at him in a sec. You may notice something's a bit different with mine. We'll talk about that in a moment, so we'll pop him aside. And there is another one I saw while getting images with his weapon a little bit different, so I'll show you those right now. Right, so comes with his chain hook, which is cool. A nice pose position for him to hold, which looks pretty good. I like it. And this right here, so this is what it looks like when you get this. This is what it looks like. One plain bland color. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I gave it to my very good friend Nelio, and he painted it for me, and I did not realize what an incredible job he was going to do. So this is what it looked like. This is what it looks like. I might actually put a photo up here to show it off a bit better actually. But yeah, he did a astonishing job, and you know it, my friend. Look at that. Even the eyes. So I'm a bit wobbly. We'll put some photos up too, but yeah, so this is one colour and he did every bit of detail. You are an absolute legend, my friend. Look at that. Yeah, incredible, absolutely incredible. It just makes it so much better. So yeah, fantastic job. This is cool. And the man himself, Raven Spawn. He's cool. I love that look. Look at the head closer in a minute. That's cool. Just that sort of skin type. He's got the hooks here. And this is all ragged. And those spikes on his arm. I mean, come on. Who can't love that? Same on that side. Just out of this world detail. Even on the legs. With spikes. Same on the other side. Look at that. Just wow. Even taking the back, the detail on there looks cool. It's not, doesn't matter, it's not soft, but keeps going up the back. As good as we chain belt. Alright, let's have a bit of a closer look at the head. There we are. What a menacing face, those teeth. Yeah, this is a superb figurine and a fine addition to my collection. I'll just weaponize them. And there is the beast. I said, yeah, everything about him is awesome, and what Neil did to that axe is just, that's just amazing, my friend. Awesome. I will tidy them up and we'll come back for a end video. For those of you that don't know me, Darth Rock, stick around, you're about to find out. Alrighty my friends, all back in their home, and yeah, I rejigged a few things with the lights, and yeah, for those that don't know me, my name is Darth Rock. I am a big Star Wars fan, Star Wars collector, my main focus, but these things are cool, and I mean, check that out. Absolutely awesome. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep an eye out. I have done, as I said, a few things in here. You can see some shadows. So keep an eye out. I will do a bit of an update on the room because I know you guys have been enjoying following it. So like, comment, share, subscribe if you are not. Talk to me down below. Let me know your thoughts on the McFarlane stuff as well. I'd be really happy to hear that. Until the next one, my friends, give into the dark side, and may the Force be with you all.